What do we know about the Marcos administration? Hindi yan bababa. Never. Wala silang konsensya, wala silang hiya. Mga walang hiya itong mga ito. Mga sinungaling, mga magnanakaw, mga ganid sa kapangyarihan. And they don't care. Even if you beat them with a stick to get out of Malacanang, they're not gonna leave. Nakakapit ang mga yan, and they're surrounded by like-minded minions who really gain so much by staying there. And of course, because of the shitstorm that they did to the Philippines, natatakot bumaba yan. Just the mere fact that the extraordinary rendition of PRRD, ang dami nilang atraso sa Pilipinas, no? So they're highly invested in hanging on. No? So we're not going to if we're waiting for them to have a conscience, that will never happen. These are sociopaths. Bongbong Marcos is a drug addict. Ought to be very clear to us right now that Bongbong Marcos will not step down out of the goodness of his heart because he does not have a heart. He has no goodness in him. He is a drug addict. He is a man with a substance abuse disorder, and he does not belong to Malacanang. He doesn't belong. He belongs in the basement of Makati Med. He needs rehab. No, so we're not going to wait for him to step down out of the goodness of his heart. No such thing. It's going to be up to the AFP and the PNP. It's
babalikan kita, no? Oo,
Yeah.
Doc, babalikan kita dahil na-intriga ako doon sa sinabi mo na he belongs to the basement of Makati Medical, which is the psych ward ng Makati Medical, no? But I'd like to welcome
seriously, I'm not joking. Anna's laughing kasi I'm serious. I'm very serious about it.
No, sis.
At ikaw naman ay isang doktor, no?
Natutuwa lang ako, sis. Dahil nasasabi mo yung minsan hindi masabi ng iba. Kaya I'm so happy. Kaya nalatawa ako ng kwento.
No, out of everything kasi that I read something that Chrisette Chu wrote, no? She said Marcos is like this, Marcos is like that. She went on and on. But there's just one thing. He's a drug addict. That's it. I mean, why would you expect the truth from a drug? Anybody with a family member who is a drug addict knows that, first of all, he's a liar, he's a manipulator, he's a magnanakaw. All of this is Marcos. He has no soul, he has no conscience, and Bongbong Marcos has had this chronic substance abuse disorder, which is an addiction kasi, is first of all a pathology of the cognition of the brain. All parts of your brain is really affected. It's really shot. So there's no his judgment, his perception, his impulse control, all that is gone.